Hi, I'm Vishal, a developer relations engineer at Harness, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the Create Remote Workspace with Prefix feature. This is a simple yet powerful feature designed to automate Terraform workspace creation and prevent pipeline failures when using a remote backend with workspace prefix. When using a remote backend with workspace prefix, Terraform doesn't automatically create the workspace if it doesn't exist. This could lead to pipeline failures with errors like currently the selected workspace doesn't exist. As you can imagine, this could cause major disruptions in your CI/CD pipeline, especially if your pipeline depends on the availability of the workspace. This option helps you solve the problem by automatically creating the workspace if it doesn't already exist. This prevents disruptive pipeline failures, ensuring Terraform runs smoothly without having to manually intervene. When you enable this option, here's what happens. If the specified remote workspace doesn't exist, Harness automatically creates it for you and continues with the pipeline execution. If the workspace already exists, Harness uses that workspace to run its execution. Now, let's jump into the configuration and see how this feature actually works. I have a pipeline created that uses this option of creating workspaces. Here, I'm going to add a random name that doesn't already exist in the remote workspace. For this example, let's just add Vishal test workspace. We scroll down and we select this checkbox. Then we save this step. Let's save this and let's run the pipeline. We get an error saying this workspace selected doesn't exist. And the step goes on to create this workspace for me in my remote Terraform backend. And we can see Terraform steps have been successfully initiated. We can now go back to the remote Terraform backend and see if this new workspace is created or not. We can see here that this new workspace has been created a minute ago. This feature not only helps prevent errors but also enhances the overall efficiency of your CI/CD pipeline. If you'd like to deep dive or start using this in your project, check out our documentation link below. Thanks for watching and happy terraforming with Harness.